Hi friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn all about the sight word you. The word is you. Y-O-U. Let's read it together. You. Good job. Now let's practice writing the sight word you. First we write the Y, then the O, and finally the U. Let's read a story all about the sight word you. The story is called You Did It. The sun wakes you up. Let's read it together. The sun wakes you up. Now you read it. Fantastic! You get dressed. Let's read it together. You get dressed. Now you read it. Great job! You eat breakfast. Let's read it together. You eat breakfast. Now you read it. Fantastic! The bus takes you to school. Let's read it together. The bus takes you to school. Now you read it. Amazing! You listen to your teacher. Let's read it together. You listen to your teacher. Now you read it. Fantastic! You shared your crayons. Let's read it together. You shared your crayons. Now you read it. Great job! You played with your friends. Let's read it together. You played with your friends. Now you read it. Fantastic! You had a great day at school. Let's read it together. You had a great day at school. Now you read it. Fantastic! I am proud of you. Let's read it together. I am proud of you. Now you read it. Fantastic! I hope you enjoyed learning all about the sight word you with me. Please subscribe to the channel so I can make more fun videos. Thank you.